So we're here at the opening of Victoria Ward Park. We're really excited to open up this grassed open space to the community, and we're launching it with the light garden. Its title is 1,000-Year Bloom, and it's this amazing art installation, technology driven. These flowers are going to light up. You're going to see them. They'll move with you. The lights will move with you. They'll dance with the music. So you'll start to see that launch tonight, and I think it's going to be a pretty amazing feature to have here in Victoria Ward Park for our holiday season. So we're doing an opening weekend this weekend, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday this will be open, and then it'll close down during the weekdays next week and reopen on the 21st, and from Friday the 21st through the end of January, this will be open 7 nights a week. The light garden will run from 6 to 9, and every hour on the hour there will actually be a musical show where the lights are choreographed with the music. So if you come down here at the top of any hour between 6 and 9, any day of the week, it'll be here.